Let's make the money, bro. Let's make the money, bro. Let's make the money, bro. The money, bro. The money, bro. Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 6 ways that I make money online. Just before I review my income streams, because I'll be showing the numbers, I will highly appreciate that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps to grow my channel and push this video to more people all over the world. Of course, the purpose of showing this money is not for me to brag or to say that I have money or I have made it, but it's just to tell you that if you too can start now, you can make this money even more than me. So let's get started. The first way that I make money is through my day job. Yes, I have a 9-to-5 job. Like many people in the society, I too have a 9-to-5 job. So I know a lot of people that talk about making money online, they hate 9 to 5, they speak bad about it, they say this, they say that. Several things about making money through the 9-to-5 system. I don't want to go into details in it. I work as an analyst in an investment bank, and my salary, of course, you can even predict it, is usual. It's about $50,000. If you're in the US, the amount is higher, but for us in UK and in London, it's $50,000 that we get. But no complaint, I'm happy with it. The second way that I make money online is through my side hustle. Yes, in my last video, I showed you about how I sold items on eBay. So I make money online by selling on eBay. It does not have to be something out of the box. No, there are items that in your house that you're no longer using. You can sell them on eBay and other marketplaces. If you have clothes that you're no longer wearing, you can sell it on Depop, on Vintage, and several other websites. Just browse online. Where can I sell this item? Instead of throwing it away, you can sell it and make some dough. You can see it on the dashboard, the 3 audio equipment that I sold in order to make this money. And within 1 week, I have sold these 3 items on eBay, which I even used to purchase a new and a better audio equipment that I'm using now to make this video. So the amount is in pounds. It's about 347 pounds. But if you convert it to dollars, it's about $480 to $500. So just selling on eBay, I make about $500. Yes, I can make money online by selling products like courses. So I make money by selling courses. In fact, a good portion of my passive income actually comes from making and selling courses. As you already know, if you follow me on this channel, I make courses on passive income, side hustle, investing, cryptocurrency, print on demand, entrepreneurship, budgeting. I have several courses. So one website that I use in selling my courses is through Udemy. You can guess that. So I have courses on Udemy. I think about 7 to 8 courses now on Udemy. Udemy have different payment structures in which they pay you as a creator for making courses. But just to make it simple, they take 50% cut and you take 50% cut of the amount that your course is sold for. The courses are not expensive. They're about £10, £15, £12. So they are not really expensive. So from a course, you as a creator, you make like £7 or £5, something like that. So, but in total, since I started uploading courses on Udemy, which is less than 1 year, I have made about $262. So you can see it on the screen that I've made about $262 since I started uploading courses on Udemy. And I'm so excited that even with the low audience I have, I can be making this amount of money. So to some people, it's a low amount, but for me, I'm excited because I'm just starting the whole process of making money online, uploading courses, and let's see if this side hustle actually work. All this make money online, make money, does it actually work? So you can see clearly that it actually works. Now, the good thing that I have in uploading my courses to Udemy will lead us to the next income stream, which is Skillshare. So you've heard about Skillshare. It's an online platform where people teach their skills. They also have their own policies and rules and regulations that you as a creator needs to follow. And for me, of course, at the beginning, I didn't have a lot of students, but it keep growing step by step, step by step. As of today, I'm making this course. I have about 150 students. Can you imagine that? That means I started just uploading courses on Skillshare just like that. Now I have about 150 students. Like, for me, that is unbelievable. I can't still believe it. I didn't do any advert. I just uploaded my courses, and students that came to the platform took the courses. And the good thing I love about Skillshare for me personally is that my revenue keep increasing on Skillshare. As you can see on the screen, that my money keep growing month by month. They pay us monthly on the 16th of each month, and you can see how the money has grown over the month. And in total, I have made about $152 on Skillshare. And in fact, I just want to tell you that I'm not even making like a new course for Skillshare. No, it's the courses that I already have on Udemy that I'm also uploading on Skillshare. It's your own course. There's no rule that you cannot upload it on multiple platforms. So the course I'm uploading on Skillshare is the same course I'm uploading on Udemy. So to attract more students and of course boost my revenue. So just from teaching courses online on Udemy and Skillshare, I make about $414 so far. To some people, it's a small amount of money, thank you. But for me, I am more than excited. Like, I am super grateful for it. You understand why I'm so grateful having these students and making this money when I take it to my YouTube. That leads us to the next point, which is YouTube. When I was starting to make money online, my sole goal was to make money from YouTube. Like, YouTube was what I was looking for. I've watched videos from Stefan, Ali Abda, and I see the crazy amount of money they're making. $1 million, $2 million. Whoa, and I was like, me too, I can do it. Me too, I can do it. So, as much as I know that I can do it and even do it much more, the journey has not been so easy. As of now, I have about 90 subscribers on YouTube. So imagine someone that have 90 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm having more students, twice of that on Skillshare, and about the same amount on Udemy. You can know that my courses are really blowing up for me. So you can see why I'm so grateful to be making those amount of money I'm making on Skillshare and Udemy. So from YouTube, since I have 90 subscribers, which you are seeing, I've not monetized my YouTube channel. And you can only monetize your YouTube channel when you have 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 public watch hours. So since I've not met the requirement, there are ads on my video, yes, but I cannot monetize it. So you see the reason why I always plead with you guys to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So you see, there are already ads playing on my video, but I cannot monetize it because I don't have up to 1,000 subscribers. But if you now just subscribe to my channel, not sooner than later, I will meet the minimum requirement and I can start monetizing my YouTube video. And you know the funny thing, it takes nothing from you to just subscribe and like this video. It takes absolutely nothing. So guys, please like and subscribe now. So even though I don't make money from YouTube ads because I have not monetized my channel, I make money from affiliate. Affiliate is when you direct people to a website using a link. So if you go in the description box of this video, you will see links that I have there for my audio equipment, for my camera, for books and things like that. So when somebody purchases the item, the company pays me a commission. The most popular affiliate is Amazon Associate, which pays you about 2%, 5% of the sale price of the item. So because my YouTube channel is not like that big, so the money I generate from affiliate is not also that big. So, but one thing I love affiliate for is that even if I buy an item using my own affiliate link, I will still generate money. And for me, you know, I like clicking on my link before buying an item on Amazon so that I'll get that commission. So it's not a lot of money, but I get roughly like $20 to $50 from affiliate marketing. And the last but not the least that I make money from, which is my sixth income stream, is through print on demand. Yes, my channel is all about making money online. So I started print on demand on LC, on eBay, on Redbubble, and so far I've generated sale, but the amount is not so much. So it's a growing income stream. I've done the design, I have put it there. So anytime I have free time, I just create a design and upload it on all these websites. So they only charge me when the customer has purchased the item. So I will highly encourage you to chase print on demand business if you really want to earn while you sleep. So if you're looking for how to start, I have a course already for you in the description box of this video that you can go and check it out for free on Skillshare. In fact, you can go and check all my courses on Skillshare now for free. Free trial period is for 1 month. So During this 1 month period, you can try all my courses and watch all of them for free. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and check it out. It's for free. You're not paying any amount of money to watch my courses on Skillshare. The link is in the description box of this video. So these are the ways that I make money online so far. Just to add to it, there are other income streams that I'm expecting to get money sooner than later, that I've already put system in process to start making money online. So just to make it more inclusive, hopefully my next video reviewing my income streams, I have already turned these areas to income stream, but for now I'm not yet making money from them. And the first one, which you already know, is YouTube ads. So I need to reach that minimum requirement in order to start making money from YouTube ads. Another way I'm expecting to start making money is through day trading. For now, I'm still practicing using the demo account. So once I become more confident with demo account, I can start day trading. It will be another income stream. Another way that I'm expecting to make money is through TikToks. I have a TikTok link where I dance and do some funny things. So you can check it out if you're interested. I'm working hard there too, so that it will be another income stream for me. Finally, as my channel grows, I'm hoping to make money through brand deals and sponsorship. So brands reach out to you most likely when you start having huge audience, and hopefully I will get huge audience if you start watching my video, start liking my video, start subscribing to my channel, and through that means I can level up my whole money making skills, and you too. And I'm not just telling you this for you to see how much I'm making or how much I can make, but I equally want you to follow me in this journey by you making money. Let's make this money together. The money I'm making will not affect you, the one you're making will not affect me. So let's do it together. Support me and I will support you. So this is the end of this video. If you have any suggestion, any feedback, any comment, I am all ears. Tell me in the comment section of this video, and I will gladly and highly appreciate to hear your perspective. Thank you. Bye.